Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Toyota Prius headlight. First, open your hood and carefully remove the front engine cover. Next, locate and remove the 3 plastic clips on top of the bumper using a thin, flathead screwdriver. Gently pry up the center pin, then pull out the entire clip. Finally, remove the 2 Phillips head screws securing the top of the bumper. Now, move to the wheel well. Pull back the plastic fender liner to expose a hidden 10mm bolt. Remove this bolt with a socket wrench. Then, carefully pull the bumper edge away from the fender near the headlight. It should unsnap, creating enough space to reach additional mounting bolts without fully removing the bumper. With the bumper partially detached, you can now access the headlight mounting bolts. There are 3 10mm bolts holding the assembly in place. Remove them. Next, disconnect all 3 unique electrical wiring harnesses from the back of the headlight. Gently push on the tabs and pull them free. Finally, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight out. To reinstall, first reconnect all 3 electrical harnesses to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the headlight back into its mounting position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Secure it with the 3 10mm bolts. Reattach the bumper clips and screws, then test your headlights to confirm they function properly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.